Notes 10, Example 2. Part 1, we have our inequality, and step 1 was to rewrite that inequality with an equal sign and then solve for y. So I want the 5y to stay right where it is, so minus 2x on both sides of the equal sign. And do not forget to bring down the negative 5y equals, I want the x value first, so negative 2x plus 10. I want the y all by itself, so divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. Y equals, and then I have a negative divided by a negative, which is a positive, 2 over 5x. And then 10 divided by negative 5 is negative 2. So again, here is my m, which is the slope, 2 over 5, which will mean up 2 to the right 5. Negative 2 is my b, which is the y-intercept, and that is negative 2. To decide whether it's a dashed line or a solid line, I look at the original inequality, and because it is less than or equal to, it will be a solid line. Now I go back to the original, which is 2x minus 5y is less than or equal to 10. And I'm going to put a 0 in for the x and a 0 in for the y. And so 2 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0. This entire side is 0. 0 is less than or equal to 10. That is true. So when I shade, I will be shading over the 0, 0. So now I'm ready to graph. So I'll move this up so you can see the grid. Okay, just as a reminder, the m was 2 over 5, and the b was negative 2. We always begin on the y-axis. So negative 2 is down 2 on the y-axis. Then we are asked to move up 2 to the right 5, up 2 to the right 5. And our line, if we look back, you can't see it on mine, but you can see it on yours, is a solid line. And our 0, 0 is right here. And because it was a true statement, we shade toward or over the 0, 0. So the shading would be here.